Hello everyone. This video we're going to show you the difference between the 730G, we call it 6G Pro, and the difference of 700G, we call it 5G Pro. So these two models, the similarities is you can actually use for the metal grill door. Okay, so basically the front body is the same. You can have the fingerprint reader, fingerprint unlock, password, and the access card. And both of the model can be connected to the Bluetooth apps. What is the difference of the door locks? Okay, for this hook is not the difference because the model for the 730G 6G Pro, the default model will come with this bolt. The hook is only for upon request for the sliding doors or sliding grill. Okay, so a default will be like something like this. Okay, so the main difference is the behind of the body. Okay, so for the 730G, you can see this is the fingerprint reader, and for 700G, this is the button. Okay, so where this button is allowed you to scan the access card. So to exit from the house, there's difference between 730G and 700G, where if you're using the access card, to exit from the house, press the button one time and scan it. For this model, you cannot use the access card to tap, you only can use the fingerprint reader. So for this model, the front and back, there's a fingerprint reader. For this model, behind there's no fingerprint reader. However, you can use the access card to scan to exit from the house. Both of them can be connected to Bluetooth apps and also remote control by options. Okay, so this is the difference between these two door locks.